Morning. We're staying at the base of a trail that leads up towards the San Francisco peaks, and we came in at night last night, so we just stayed at the bottom. So first thing today, we're going to head up the mountain a little bit and see if we can find a nice quiet spot. So this is where we'll spend the next few hours. We'll let the kids run around in the forest, get some fresh air. Nicole's going to do some laundry, and we're all going to get showers. And then this afternoon we'll head into town and see what we can find to do. But this isn't a bad place to spend your Sunday. And it's so peaceful. In case you're wondering, yes, we have a laundry machine in our van.
So it's time to make lunch, and today we're going to make a recipe that my brother actually just sent over to me. Shout out to Seth. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's some kind of taco, and it's got like steak in it, so I guess steak tacos. The recipe calls for lime, cilantro, onion. He used a meat called carne asada. I couldn't find that in our supermarket here. So I used a top round, I think it was, but really thinly sliced. They have like a pack of like, I don't know, 5 or 6, and that's what I used. So next up, you'll be seeing kind of how that goes. It's really easy, and it's really, really good. So thank you again, Seth. Is that good? Mm-hmm. It's Uncle Seth's creation. You bit right from the top.
After some much needed quiet time in the forest, chilling in the van, we're going to head into downtown Flagstaff now to try and find some of that thing they call internet.
I just saw my first hare, and he's super cute. He has really big ears.
They're big.
They're massive, and he's adorable, and he's like literally the size of a cat, and he's got massive ears, and he's so cute, and I just want to take him home.
So we were able to find a good phone signal in town so that we could use the hotspot on our phone for internet. But this area of the forest, which is closer to town, actually has pretty good phone signal right here. And you can see where the van is. And look at the view. That's the San Francisco peaks. I think this dirt road gets kind of busy because there's 10 miles of dirt road down that way and a lot of camp spots that beggars can't be choosers. But I think we're just gonna call it early and get some food now. This isn't my outro, but we're just gonna take it easy this evening. I don't know if we ever fully explained it, but the Starlink was delivered to the post office here in Flagstaff, and the post office accepts general delivery, but they don't accept parcels from FedEx or UPS. They only accept general delivery from USPS. So when the FedEx parcel arrived with our Starlink in it, they basically just turned around and sent it straight back to the sender. If we'd been here when it came in, we could have stopped by the post office and intercepted the parcel. So now we have to wait for that Starlink to make it back to Elon Musk, and then when he receives it, hopefully they'll send us another one. We haven't got that far yet, but basically they need to know that they're getting that one back. You know, it's a $3,000 unit. So tomorrow we have to basically go into town and try and figure out some kind of a PO box or something so that we can basically have a temporary address to have it sent to. But if you ever want to use the post office general delivery, just bear in mind that they don't accept FedEx. They will just send it back without any question. So next week can only get better. We're gonna go to bed now, get some sleep, ready for our Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.